Tapioca, actually the plant is from Brazil. In India it was introduced by the Portuguese. And once we plant this one, sir, within 8 months mein harvesting it. It's an underground tuber, similar like sweet potato. What you call as shakaravali kelang. Shakaravali kelang. This is that one. आप लोग स्वीट पोटैटो बोलते हैं
हाँ शकरकंदी
उसके जैसा ही अंडरग्राउंड ट्यूबर है ठीक है सो वंस वी प्लांट विद इन 8 months में हार्वेस्टिंग है व्हेन द हार्वेस्टिंग टाइम कम्स यू कैन सी देयर लीव्स आल्सो दैट्स आल्सो टैपियोका प्लांट है एट प्रेजेंट इट्स ग्रीन कलर है ड्यूरिंग हार्वेस्टिंग टाइम इट विल टर्न टू येलो and there will be cracks in the root portion that means its harvesting time has come so we remove that mud tapioca is removed from there. So outer shell is removed. This part of Kerala, they call it kappa in Kerala. Kappa kelang in Kerala they call. They steam boil and eat this one, and they make their chips also. In part of Maharashtra, आप लोग खिचड़ी बनाते हो, खीर बनाते हो, पापड़, वड़ा of this one. इसका जो white pearls है, that is sabudana. That later process, what you call as javarsi. In Tamil they call as javarsi. Later they process that one. So usually during fasting time we use that one. But nowadays in boba tea, bubble tea, they use this tapioca pearls. And once the entire plant is removed from there, so one matured stem will be replanted. Sir, आप क्यों भीग रहे हैं?
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Sir, इधर भीगना नहीं. बुखार आने का चांस.
It's okay. It's okay.
ठीक है.
I can manage.
So okay, fine. ठीक है. So this is that. Sir, worldwide if you see, Nigeria grows highest tapioca. This one. ठीक है. That's good. Next avocado. Next is avocado.